So let's take a look at the weather from the back of the pack moving forwards. Here we have the back of the fleet. Easy conditions for Denny van Weinberg, and as we move, this is Jiankanju, led by Oliver here, in that region of icebergs. That strong southerly wind that he said he had is bitingly cold. Then we move to the middle of the fleet. We have our 3 sailors that will be rounding Cape Horn later today. That's Violette d'Orange, Eric Bellion and Arnaud Boissier. We then have this group that are dealing with this low pressure system by the Falkland Islands. They're pushing as far north as possible, and here's Giancarlo Pedotti just getting to the end of the ice exclusion zone that's really a barrier to our sailors. This group of 4 now, we can see, are actually now facing this huge area of high pressure. And this area here is really going to slow them down and actually give the opportunity for Giancarlo and Isabel Josh to catch up with this group. So all the gains Alan Rohrer made may be lost in the next couple of days. Our group 3 here, this is Clarice Kramer, Sam Davis and Benjamin Detroux. They've really closed the gap on that 4th to 10th place group. But this group now are just ahead of that active zone, that semi-permanent cold front that Clarice and Sam are just starting to experience. And then at the front of the fleet, we've got our leaders, all in the Northern Hemisphere, and with this animation, you can see that Charlie Dallin is just coming into this ridge of high pressure first, and it's this low pressure coming across that we're going to pick up next. These should give strong downwind conditions that are more favourable to Johan Richom's boat, so we shall see what happens as they come east of the Azores and make their way to what's pretty confident to be a Tuesday arrival. And Seb Simon now just has to try and cling on to this depression to stay with them. Otherwise, he's going to wait for depression number 2 that's waiting in the wings.